What is going on, folks? It is Rigor Mortis, and we are back with yet another video. What I wanted to do for you guys today is talk about a SPAC that has been on my radar, obviously, for a super long time. We talked about it a lot on this channel for a very long time, and it's kind of just teetered out a little bit since we are waiting for the meeting to have this agreement or merger go through, and we finally have some information as to when that's going to happen. So I pulled up the SEC filings here for, you guessed it, Gigcapital3, GIK, who is merging with Lightning eMotors, an electrification solutions company. So if we read a little bit here, and you can go ahead and open these yourself as well, we get some information as to when the meeting will be held. If you read here, April 21st, 2021, and the first order of business is a business combination proposal, obviously, with Lightning eMotors and Gigcapital3. So we've been waiting for this for a pretty long time now, and we finally have some information as to when this is going to go down. And of course, whenever I read this, I went through and saw what Lightning eMotors has been up to in terms of any types of expansions and things like that. And I found this article on March 19th, 2021. It kind of outlines why I like this company so much. It's still one of my favorite SPACs. I'm still holding strong, and I'm still obviously trying to increase my position. I actually did increase my position. I think 2 weeks ago, whenever we were at all-time lows, I bought some new shares of GIK. And by the way, just really quickly, shout out to Jason's Kitchen for letting me know about this. He commented on my GIK videos. Looks like he has a YouTube channel as well. So shout out to you, Jason's Kitchen, for putting me on this news that the merger agreement is set to be voted on, April 21st, 2021. Anyway, so we have this Proterra battery technology to power Lightning eMotors electric transit commercial van. So Lightning Electric Transit is a purpose-built commercial vehicle available as delivery vans, ambulances, school buses, RVs, and more. So this sentence right here just kind of tells you all you need to know about Lightning eMotors. These guys are they do electrification solutions. What I like about their product, what I like about their vehicles is that they're multi-purpose. So obviously they can be served as a multitude of different avenues and businesses. That's what I like about them. Expected to support annual production of nearly 100 vehicles in 2021 and up to 3,000 vehicles by 2023. Lightning eMotors to deliver the first Proterra powered vehicles later this year. So, I mean, we talked a lot about GIK, we talked a lot about Lightning eMotors in the past. You can go in and buy these vehicles right now, this second, from Lightning eMotors. These guys are good at what they do, in my personal opinion, and I think they're going to have a very long life when it comes to the EV space and electrification solutions. What they do that's so much different than the EV companies right now is that they take existing vehicles and electrify them. So people are going to ask, well, why not just buy a brand new electric vehicle? Well, you have to remember, some of these people have been in the game for a very long time. Let's take a school bus driver, for example. That school bus driver isn't going to want to learn how to operate a brand new vehicle. What's going to be better for them, sorry, he or she, is that if that existing vehicle is electrified and then they don't have to learn anything new, everything is exactly the same, it is just now electrified, which saves a lot of money. So again, let's go ahead and take a look at GIK stock just very briefly here. And same song, different dance. Our SPACs have been absolutely getting killed. We did see highs of $17, and since then, my goodness, I mean lows of 35% down to $10.85, which was around when I bought actually. And then we had a little bit of a bump up here, and then since then we've just been on the way down. It's sitting at $11.15 right now, which is actually about my cost average for this stock right now. So in terms of GIK, what I've been doing is I've been trying to buy on the way down, like I've been telling you guys, but to be quite honest, this is a company that needs just a little bit more momentum. I think it's a great company, and people are just not recognizing how good it actually is. This is just my personal opinion, folks, obviously. But I am still holding strong. I think that this company will do well in the future. We just have to watch the trajectory. It's not going to be one of those that explodes overnight, in my opinion. It might, if it gets picked up by a little bit of, if it picks up a little bit of momentum, it could explode. But in my opinion, this is one of the quote unquote safer SPAC deals. Obviously, nothing in the stock market is 100% safe, but I do feel as if this company is a little bit safer than some of the other SPACs that we've been talking about. So, in terms of a price target, to be quite honest, I'm not completely sure. I think they're going to do well. I think before the merger, we are going to build up a little bit of hype, but you guys have to remember that the market has been not extremely, but pretty bearish these past couple of weeks, and our SPACs have particularly been hit hard. So a stock like this might not do well for quite some time, but to be quite honest, I feel like at these levels we do have a little bit of room to run. Not a little bit, quite a little bit of room to run actually. So I do think that there's still potential there. Obviously, this is not financial advice, folks. I'm just telling you guys what I'm doing when it comes to my stock picks. Please go out and do your own research. But I really like Lightning eMotors just as much as I liked XL Fleets. So I think there's a lot of potential here. I've been holding for a very long time. We finally got some news of the merger, and now we just have to be a little bit more patient. If you are in this stock, I want to hear about your comments in the if I want to hear about your opinions in the comment down below. So please go ahead and throw a comment. To be quite honest, I might actually add a little bit more to my position because I firmly believe in this company. I know we talk a lot about penny stocks, we talk a lot about SPACs in this channel, and every single one of those that I talk about, I truly believe they have potential if I say so in my video. This is one of those that is just bumped up a little bit more for me personally because I truly in my heart of hearts like this company quite a bit. So this is one of those SPAC plays that I'm going to be watching extremely closely here leading up to the end of April. Hopefully we get a little bit of a boom. If not, I'm not worried. I'm in it for the super long haul when it comes to Lightning eMotors. But I want to hear your thoughts and opinions down in the comment section below, so please go ahead and drop a comment. If you're new around here, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the growing family of investors. We've been growing like crazy. And please throw a like on this video so we can get it out to more people. I appreciate you guys watching. This is Rigor Mortis. Peace out.